Hello, my name is Mike Liewehr. I'm founder and CEO of Axioma. We are a long-term Progress partner using a lot of Progress technology in our development stack, starting with the Progress database, using the Progress ABL. We're using Data Direct. We use Kinway. We also use Corticon for quite some time, implemented that in our backend stack, and it helped us a lot. We are using that for price calculation, for product configuration, and a lot of parts of our applications in the backend. We implemented it with our development framework and provided also to other customers, to other ISV that are using the Axioma framework for modernizing or for developing what we call next generation agile business applications. And we started also implementing Corticon.js in the UI part. And that opened up a lot of additional opportunities for us. It allowed us to not only implement UI, UX, screens and forms in a very agile way, using our own form designers, our graphical development tools. But with Corticon.js, we were also able to implement custom logic and any kind of business logic in the UI. And that really allowed us to bring the whole no-code, low-code approach to a completely new level. So we strongly believe that for today's or the next generation application, we really think that completely coding those is not going to work. You simply don't have the time to market to develop a whole ERP application from scratch in the web, starting it from the beginning and completely coding it. The time until you really go to market, the whole standards in the web are already, they've changed so much that you probably have to start again from scratch. So we really think that the no-code, low-code approach in the future is really also the way to go for business applications. And we think that today's no-code, low-code platforms are not really suitable for enterprise business applications. So we developed the Axioma platform, which is really targeted at bringing low-code and no-code together with enterprise business applications to build what we call the next generation agile business applications. And part of this, of course, is also logic, business logic on the back end, but also in the UI. And using Corticon.js, we were able to allow our customers, ISVs, but also end users to customize their whole UI, their screens, and also the logic in those screens so that it's completely removed from the coding and can be done in Corticon, in rule sheets, and therefore can be done by business analysts, by citizen developers, and not have to be coded. And it really helped us and helped our customers tremendously. We have seen that they were able to cut down the time needed for building complex web UIs, complex user interfaces in the browser, cutting down the time by 70%. And we've seen that in some areas, implementing the rules with Corticon.js was so fast that instead of doing the specification in some tool and then handing that over to development to implement it, it was quicker to simply implement the rules directly within Corticon.js and then document it from there. So this really opens up a whole new world of opportunities in terms of time to market, and especially also in terms of productivity and in terms of future-proof and flexibility. So overall, we gained a lot of advantages by using Corticon and especially Corticon.js. We can highly recommend it, especially if you want to improve on time to market and customizability. So thanks for your time and thanks for listening.